In this video, I'm going to show you how to make Samsung display black and white. Note that by doing this, we are affecting the whole visual display of the screen. So to accomplish this, simply navigate to Settings app. In Settings, locate the section for Accessibility. In Accessibility, select the option for Vision Enhancements. Here, it will present various options to modify visual representation of the screen to make it more suitable on the user preference. To change it to black and white display, simply select Color Correction. In here, click the toggle button for off and on. Simply turn it on and select Grayscale on the option. This will automatically turn the whole screen into black and white or grayscale. And that's about it. That's how to make Samsung display black and white. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.